welcome back. It is Monday the 14th of April and I am on the bridge near Chapel Street. I did go down to look through that little gap where I've been before, but the view wasn't as good today, and also the tutu was stationary for a good 10 minutes. I didn't even think it was working today. And I waited down there for a bit and walked around for a bit and nothing seemed to be happening. So I came up here and waited up here. So yeah, now I'm here. So we're just going to stay on tutu for a bit. This is actually my third attempt at trying to get a video today, because the first two attempts were not even worth uploading. So yeah, we're just going to stick on tutu for a while. I may zoom in a little bit if he starts chomping on that actual building bit. The noise you can hear is Skylar, and he's got his grabby head on and he's grabbing and crunching the metal in one of the big skips. But for now, this is the most action we've got. I think I got a lot of good action on Thursday and on Friday, because I got so much demolition video. I was able to post some videos through Saturday and Sunday. And also you may have or may not have seen my Comic Con video, which went up earlier today. It was actually filmed on the Saturday at Comic Con, because I went on the Saturday and the Sunday. On the Saturday I went on my own, so I had to walk around in a film, but on the Sunday I went with my daughter and a friend, so we were walking and talking, and then we went to eat, so I didn't really film on the Sunday. Tell you what guys, it's cold and windy today. I mean, it's not really freezing or anything, but compared to all this lovely weather we've had this past month, I'm not liking this chill. It's probably typical April weather, to be honest, but nah, I'm not down with this. This is not fun. It's going a little bit. There we go. So really, tutu is just tidying up at the moment, but there's not a lot else going on what we can film today. And I wanted to bring you folks an update, so yeah, that is it. And I am sorry about the wind noise, which you'll very definitely be able to hear, because I'm up on the bridge and it's windy. Come on tutu, get some proper demolition done, that's what we're here for. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Cold, 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 cold. I'm just standing still and pacing, folks. I know pacing, I mean I'm pacing on the spot. I mean obviously if I'm pacing I'm not standing still. shall we?
Okay folks, I'm going to finish this video now. Not a lot going on in today's video, but at least you guys are getting an update. So as usual, I'm going to say once again thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.
Blackpool buzzes, machine scream.